I picked up this cool little vinyl cutter for only 50 bucks, and you'll be amazed what I can do with this thing. And I'm going to show you how I found it, so stay tuned. If you've ever looked at these little cutters at like the craft stores or even online, they usually start at around $300 and go up. And the main brands you'll probably see are things like Cricut and Silhouette. For those of you who are unfamiliar with vinyl cutters, they're basically a plotter with a knife blade in it for cutting adhesive vinyl for applying decals. It was originally developed for the sign industry, and they've used it for years. I know what you're thinking. These cutters are mainly marketed to the homemaker crafter, but it really is a sign maker. It does some great work. Now, this is by no means a professional quality vinyl cutter, but for the DIYer like me and at home, this thing does a great job. One of the great things about this little cutter is it comes with the software, or basically you go online, download it, but it's a full operating software and it's incredibly easy to use. You can even go into Google Images, find a logo or a design you want to use, basically drag and drop it right into the software. It will render it, and then you can cut it out from there. You can size it to any size you want, weed it out, put some transfer tape on it, and then take it to wherever you want to put that down, squeegee it down, and peel the tape off. It's that easy. Check out some of the things this thing can do. That works well. I could have cut all these with it, let alone that would have been a heck of a lot easier. Just to show you the detail that this little thing can do. This is only about 3 inches high, and you know, these letters are only 1/4 inch high. Now, I'm not going to go into showing you how to use this, because let me tell you, there are tons of YouTube videos out there that will show you exactly that. That's even how I learned. Now, this is by no means a professional quality vinyl cutter, but for the DIYer like me and at home, this thing does a great job. So how did I manage to find a vinyl cutter for $50? It works kind of like this. The company that develops these needs to keep selling them, so every year they update the equipment. This is a Silhouette Cameo, and you could technically call it the Cameo 1. Well, they're now up to Cameo 4. So every time they upgrade, they get existing customers to buy a newer one. I found this cutter on Facebook Marketplace for $50 in perfect condition, and the seller basically told me they bought one of the new Cameo 4s and they just don't use this anymore. It was in perfect condition and it works great. Now, you can go on Facebook Marketplace. You could go and find these cutters between $50 and $100 all day long right in your area. And if you don't see them on Facebook Marketplace, check out OfferUp or even Craigslist, or for that matter, you can even do eBay. There's any of these social media marketplaces are a great way to look for them. Just type vinyl cutter or even Silhouette Cameo in the search engine. Oh, and as far as that logo with the ponytail goes, I've got that covered. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of these others, and in the meantime, I'll see you soon.